You will find questions like this in your competitive exams. Now, in the expressions, if you can see, there are under roots on the left hand side. So this expression has 3 terms and all the terms have x as the base. Even on the right hand side, x is the base, and now we have to find the value of x. So in expressions like these, what do we need to do? On the left hand side, we just count how many terms are there. So this is first term, second term, and third term. And now how many terms? 3 terms. So we simply find the square of 3. 3 3s are 9. So value of x will be 9. I will explain you how it happens, but first of all, I am giving you a shortcut method. Now in the second question, we have how many terms are there in the left hand side? 1 term, 2 term. So a square of 2 is 4. So value of x is 4. Now again you see here in this question, the third one, here we have how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 4s are 16. So the square will be, the value of x will be 16. So 4 terms, square of 4 is 16, the value of x will be 16. And the last question what I have taken is, how many terms are there? Let's count the terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms, 5 5s are 25. So value of x is 25. Now how does it happen? To understand that, let's do the fourth question. So we have root x plus root x plus root x plus root x plus root x is equal to x. So how many roots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 5 root x is equal to x. Now if we simply square the both sides, we get, squaring the both sides, what do we get? The square of 5 is 25. Under root x square is simply x. And here x square is x square. We'll simply write that. Now divide both the sides by x. This x will be cancelled. And here we can cancel the square of it. So x is equal to 25. And this is the answer we find through the trick. We count the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we simply square it. 5 5s are 25. So with using this method you can find any, the value of x for any number of terms, okay, in this kind of expression. Thank you.